That just stopped this from beeping.
Yeah.
I hit it again. There you go. Where is it? There it goes. This is what came up the first time. Trouble in system, NAC 1 open.
Right.
That's notification alarm circuit 1.
Got it.
So they're just telling that their troubles are. This is what you'll get if you have a trouble. It'll come up like that. That alarm won't be lit up.
Yeah.
It'll just say trouble. And the same thing, if you don't fix the trouble and you just come over here and hit silence and reset, it'll just come right back up
And it will
until
tell us
it's
trouble.
been fixed.
So if someone's not here and they get the call that the fire alarm is gone off, is it an expectation that they're supposed to come here and see whether there's actually a fire? Or
Say it again?
if the alarm goes off and nobody's here, we call whoever on the call list.
Well, if it's an alarm, the fire trucks will show
Fire
up.
trucks will come, so we don't, and they'll decide whether it was a false alarm or not.
Yeah, it'd still be a good idea to come find out what's going on.
So,
Yeah,
okay.
you want to get a call.
Your building burned down.
Yeah.
Oh, it did?
Okay.
Well, I'm on vacation, sorry.
Okay,
Or if
how
you-
many of these red things do we have?
I believe there's 7.
Oh, wow.
7 or
And
8.
and
Yeah,
they're
there's
all,
one at
and
each exit.
then they're marked what they are, so that one said social hall,
Yep.
so,
And it also says M7, like this one's marked M1.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if we go over there, I'll show you how
so they're not all marked